During this initial phase of step 4, we want to avoid some of the most common mistakes that beginners tend to make. The first common mistake is to focus too much on some disciplines at the expense of others. In this course and in the Integrative Studies program, you are combining 2 disciplines. Because the overarching goal of the IRP is comprehensive understanding, expert interdisciplinarians should include all relevant disciplines in the work they do, regardless of their area of expertise. To avoid this mistake, track the disciplines associated with the sources and insights you identify. The second common mistake is to focus too much on the quantity of information we gather instead of its quality and utility. Even disciplines that have contributed only 1 or 2 insights should be included if those insights are significant to the problem we are studying. In other words, we shouldn't discount a discipline just because it doesn't contribute the same number of insights as another discipline. The third common mistake is to fail to search for possibilities that are not obvious, that are not initially apparent. In other words, to give up too easily or too quickly when searching for information. In my own research, I might start with a broad search, and then narrow it, and then broaden it, and then narrow it again, and so on. Remember to look for connections to other disciplines, and to look for gaps in the literature. Just because we haven't found something doesn't mean it isn't there hiding. Our job as interdisciplinarians is to find these little bits of information.